Dizzy do number 4. Okay, this is your first drop off, Shelby. You can do this. Hi, how can I help you? Hi, are you, Coco? Vanilla? Yes. Who are you? Oh, I'm the mailwoman, or mailman. I come to bring you your package. Oh, go get it. It's a bit heavy, but, here you go. Thank you. I can help you unbox it. Okay. Let's bring it in. Okay, let's do this. Yep. Alright, let's do this. Yeah. Okay, let's take a peek inside. Sorry, guys. Open your dumb box. Let me get the camera. Yeah, just tilt it up like that. It's not working. No, just tilt it. Tilt it up like this. There you go. Yeah, and then just put this in the camera. Alright. Okay. Okay. Let's take it out. We got it! Dork Diaries! 11! Dork Diaries 11. Tales from a not-so-friendly frenemy. Here it is. All the book. Time to put this in the safe. Safe? Yeah, follow me. The safe. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm here with Shelby helping me. Yeah, I'm pretty good, but I'm not supposed to be here. I'm gonna get fired. Oh, yeah. Bye, Shelby. Bye. Well, Dork Diaries Book 11! I'll do a review on it when I'm finished.